Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Today we are going to revise chapter number 3, addition. What is the name of the chapter? Addition. Okay, children. First one, add and write the answer in words. Add and write the answer in words. So here they have given the numbers in names. So we have to convert it to the numbers and we have to add them. And finally we have to present the answer in words. Okay, we have to write the answer in words. Okay, children. See the first problem. 35,412 and 52,690. So first we have to convert this to numbers. Okay, 35,412 and 52,690. So we are going to add these two numbers. Okay, shall we add? Yes. So we have to start from the ones place, isn't it? So in ones place, what are the numbers we are having? 2 and 0, isn't it? 2 and 0. So we are going to add 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 is 2, isn't it? 2 plus 0 is 2. Then move on to the tens place. What are the numbers we are having? 1 and 9. So we are going to add 1 plus 9. So 9 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 9, 10. So we are getting 2-digit number. So we have to put this unit digit in the answer and we have to carry over this 1 to the next place. That is in the hundreds place. So in hundreds place we are having 3 numbers to add, isn't it? So first let's add 4 and 1. So 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 4, 5, isn't it? Now 5 plus 6. So 5 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So again we are getting 2-digit number. So we are going to put this unit digit in the answer place and we have to carry over this 1 to the next place, that is thousands place. So here also we are having 3 numbers to add. So first let's add 1 and 5. So 5 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 5, 6. Next 6 plus 2. So 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8. So here we are getting 8. See, in 10,000's place we are having 3 and 5. So we are going to add 3 plus 5. Okay, 3 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here also we are getting 8. So the answer is 88,102. So we have to present the answer in words, isn't it? Like that they have asked. So the sum is 88,102. Is it clear, children? Yes. Shall we move on to the next problem? Next one is addition of 3 or more numbers. Addition of 3 or more numbers. So here, so far we have added 2 numbers, isn't it? So now we are going to add 3 numbers or more numbers. So in this problem we are going to add 3 numbers. Okay. What is the first number? 7,13,246. Isn't it? The next number is 32,708. And the last number is 15,001. Isn't it? So we are going to add these 3 numbers. So first let's start from the ones place. In ones place we have 3 numbers, 6 plus 8 plus 1. Isn't it? So first let's add 6 and 8. So 6 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And now 14 plus 1. 14 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 14, 15. So here we are getting 2-digit number. So we have to put this unit digit in the answer and we have to carry over this 1 to the next place, that is tens place. So in tens place we are having 1 and 4. These twos are 0, isn't it? So we have to add 1 and 4. So 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 4, 5. So here the answer is 5 in tens place. Then move on to the hundreds place. We are having 2 plus 7 and 0. So we are going to add these two numbers, 2 and 7. So 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. So here we are getting 9. So see, in thousands place we have three numbers, 3 plus 2 plus 5. So 3 in the mind. First let's add 3 and 2. So 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5. Next 5 plus 5. So 5 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are getting 2-digit number. So we have to put this unit digit in the answer place. And we have to carry over this 1 to the next place. That is 10,000s place. And here we are having 4 numbers to add, isn't it? So first let's add 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Next 2 plus 3. So 2 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one is 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. So in lakhs place we are having only one number. So here we have to put that number. So finally we got the answer, isn't it? What is the answer? 7,60,955. Okay children. Shall we move on to the next problem? Next one is find the missing digits. Find the missing digits. So we are going to find the missing digits in the problem. Okay. So let's start from ones place. So in ones place, here the number is missing, isn't it? So 5, here in ones place, what are the numbers we are having? 5 and 1. And we have to find this missing digit, isn't it? So 5 plus 1 is 6, isn't it? So we have to add one number to 6 to get 9, isn't it? So 5 plus 1 is 6. We have to add one number to get 9, isn't it? So after 6, count forward till you reach 9. Okay. After 6, 7, 8, 9. How many number? What is the number? 3. Isn't it? So 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay. 6 plus 3 is 9. So here we have to write 3. Okay. So let's check 5 plus 3 plus 1. Isn't it? We have to add 5 plus 3 plus 1 and we should get 9. Let's check. 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8 plus 1 is 9. Isn't it? So like that, we are going to find all these numbers. Okay. So see, in tens place, here the number is missing, isn't it? So what are the remaining numbers? 0 and 8. So 8 is the only number, only remaining number, isn't it? But see the answer, it is 2. 2 is less than 8, isn't it? 2 is less than 8. So we are going to find out the number which when added to this 8 gives the sum whose unit digit is 12. Whose unit digit is 12. So it should be, the answer should be double digit number, isn't it? 2-digit number. So the unit digit should be 2. So we are going to find out the tens place. So what the number should be? It should be 12. So we are going to add one number to this 8, which when added to 8, we are going to find out the number which when added to 8 gives the sum whose unit digit is 2. So it must be 12. Okay, in the answer place it should be 12. So after 8 count forward till you reach 12. Okay, after 8 count forward till you reach 12. So after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what is the answer? 4, isn't it? 8 plus 4 is 12. So here 4. So here in the answer place we have put the unit digit 2, isn't it? So we have to carry over this 1 to the next place, that is in hundreds place. So here also we are going to find the missing digit. So what are all the remaining digits are there in hundreds place? 7 and 1, isn't it? It is 0. So we are going to add 7 and 1. 7 plus 1 is 8, isn't it? 7 plus 1 is 8. But 6 is less than 8, isn't it? 6 is less than 8. So it should be a double digit, that is 2-digit number whose unit digit is 6. Okay, so it should be a 2-digit number whose unit digit is 6. So what should be the number? It should be 16, isn't it? It should be 16. So here we are having 7 plus 1 is 8. So after 8 count forward till you reach 16. Okay. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So what is the answer? 8. Isn't it? So here the missing digit is 8. Okay. And then don't forget to carry over this 1 to the next place, students. Okay. Because it is a 2-digit number. So we have to carry over the tens place to the next place, isn't it? So here this digit is missing, so we are going to find out. So what are the remaining digits? 1 plus 3 plus 4. So first we shall add these three numbers. 1 plus 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, and next 4 plus 4, 4 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Isn't it? 8 we are getting, but the answer is 1. So 1 is less than 8. Isn't it? 1 is less than 8. So it should be double digit number. That is 2-digit number whose unit digit is 1. So we are going to find out the number which when added to 8. We are getting 8 here, isn't it? So which when added to 8 gives the sum whose unit digit is 1. So what should be the number in the answer place? It should be 11. It should be 11. Okay, here we are getting 8. So after 8, count forward till you reach 11. After 8, 9, 10, 11. So what is the answer? 3. So here we are getting 3. 3 is the answer. But don't forget to carry over this 1 to the next place. Okay. Here this digit is missing. So we are going to find out. For that, let's add the remaining numbers 1, 6, 2. So we are going to add 1 plus 6 plus 2. So 6 plus 1 is 7. And 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. But the answer place 0 is there. So 0 is definitely less than 9. So it should be 2-digit number whose unit digit is 0, isn't it? So what should be the number? Here we are getting 9, isn't it? 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. And the answer place we are having 0. So it should be 0 less than 9. So it should be 2-digit number. So what should be the number? It is 10. Okay, 10. So here we are having 9. So after 9, count forward till you reach 10. After 9, 10. So what is the answer? 1. So here the missing digit is 1. Okay. And we have to carry over this 1 to the next place. That is in the lakhs place. And here also we are going to find out this missing digit. So for that, first let's add the remaining numbers. Okay, so we are going to add 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3, and we are going to add 3 plus 3. So 3 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Isn't it? So we are having 6, but the answer is 7. So 6 plus some number is equal to 7. So count for after 6, count forward till 7 is greater than 6, isn't it? So after 6, count forward till you reach 7. After 6, 7. So the answer is 1. So here the missing digit is 1. So can you all understand, children, how to find the missing digit? Yes. So shall we move on to the next problem? Yes. The next one is word problem. So we are going to solve word problems. See the problem. For a family function, Mr. Malik spent rupees 2,75,600 on food. So for food, he spent 2,75,600 rupees. Okay. Next, rupees 1,25,750 on arrangements and decoration. So for decoration and arrangement, he has spent 1,25,750. Okay, and rupees 96,275 on gifts. How much did he spend for the function? So totally how much did he spend? We are going to find out. Okay, for this what we have to do? We have to add all these three numbers, isn't it? So for food he has spent some amount of money, and for the decoration and arrangement he has spent some amount of money, and for gifts he has spent some amount of money. So we are going to find out totally how much money he spent. Okay, for that we are going to add these three numbers. Okay, see the solution. He spent on food how much? 2,75,600. He spent on decoration how much? 1,25,750. And he spent on gifts how much he spent? 96,275. So we are going to find out total amount of money he spent, isn't it? So we are going to add these three numbers. So start with ones place. In ones place we are having 0 plus 0 plus 5. So the answer will be 5. Okay. And move on to the next place, tens place. We are having 0 plus 5 plus 7. So we are having only two numbers to add, isn't it? 5 and 7. So 5 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we are getting 2-digit number. So we have to put this unit digit in the answer place, and we have to carry over this 1 to the next place. So in hundreds place we are having 4 numbers to add. What are the numbers? 1 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2. So first let's add 1 and 6. 1 plus 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 6, 7. Isn't it? The next we are going to add 7 plus 7. So 7 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And next we are going to add 14 plus 2. 14 plus 2. So 14 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 14, 15, 16. So again we are getting 2-digit number. So what we have to do? We have to put this unit digit in the answer place, and we have to carry over this 1 to the next place. So here also we are having 4 numbers. What are the 4 numbers? 1, 5, 5, 6. Okay, first let's add 1 plus 5. So 5 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 5, 6. So next 6 plus 5. So 6 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So next we are going to add 11 plus 6. So 11 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So here also we are getting 2-digit number. So what we should do? We have to put this unit digit in the answer place and we have to carry over this 1 to the next place. So here we are going to add 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 9. Okay, first let's add 1 and 7. So 7 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 7, 8. And next 8 plus 2. So 8 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10. Next 10 plus 9. So 10 in the mind, 9 in the finger. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So here also we are getting 2-digit number. So we have to put the unit digit in the answer place and we have to carry over this 1 to the next place. So here we are going to add 3 numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So finally we got the answer. So how much money did he spend totally? So totally he spent 4,97,625 rupees. Okay. Can you understand, children? Yes. Shall we move? Yes. Next one is estimate the sum by rounding off to the nearest thousand. Then check the result by finding the actual sum. So we are going to round off the thousands place. Okay. See the problem? The population of village A is 53,628 and village B is 78,426. Estimate the total population of the two villages. Okay, first we have to find out the estimated value, then we have to find out the actual value. Okay children, for that first we have to round off the thousands place to the thousand. Okay, so see the first number, what is the population in village A? It is 53,628, isn't it? So we have to round off this thousands place. So it is above 500, so it will be 54,000. Okay. And see the next number, the population in village B. It is 78,426, isn't it? So we are going to round off the nearest thousand. So see the thousands place, it is 8,426. So it is below 500. So it will be 78,000. Okay. So we are going to find out the total population of two villages. So for that what we have to do? We have to add these two numbers. First let's find out the estimated value. Okay. So 54,000 and 78,000. So we are going to add these two numbers. So start with the ones place. In ones place we are having 0 and 0. So the answer will be 0. In tens place also 0 and 0. So the answer will be 0. And in hundreds place also 0, 0. So the answer will be 0. And in thousands place we are having 4 and 8. Isn't it? 4 and 8. So 4 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we are getting 2-digit number. So we are going to put this unit digit in the answer place and we are going to carry over this 1 to the next place. So here we are going to add these three numbers, 1, 5, 7. First let's add 5 and 1. 5 plus 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6, and next 6 plus 7. So 6 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we are getting 13. So we have to put this unit digit in the answer place and we have to carry over to the next place. So in next place we don't have any number, so put this one here. So finally we got the answer, isn't it? That is 1,32,000. 1,32,000. It is a estimated value. So next we are going to find out the actual value. Okay. See, the actual value means the given numbers. So we are going to add the given numbers. So 53,628 and 78,426. So first let's start with ones place. So in ones place we are having 8 plus 6. So 8 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we are getting 14. So we have to put this unit digit in the answer place. We have to carry over this 1 to the next place. So here we are having 1 plus 2 plus 3. So first let's add 2 plus 1. 1 plus 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. And next 3 plus 2. So 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5. So here we are getting 5. So in hundreds place we are having 6 plus 4. So 6 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are getting 2-digit number. So we have to put this unit digit in the answer place. And we have to carry over this 1 to the next place. So in thousands place we are having 3 numbers to add. 1 plus 3 plus 8. So first let's add 1 and 3. 3 plus 1 is 4 and next 4 plus 8. So 4 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we are having 12. So we have to put this unit digit in the answer place and carry over this 1 to the next place. So here we are having 1 plus 5 plus 7. So let's add 1 and 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Next 6 plus 7. So 6 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we are getting 2-digit numbers. So put the unit digit in the answer place and carry over this 1 to the next place. In next place only 1 is there, so put 1 in the answer place. So here we are getting 1,32,054. So in the estimated value is 1,32,000, but the actual value is 1,32,054. Is it clear, children? Yes. Next one, frame word problem. So we are going to frame word problem. First problem is 37,260 plus 28,450. So in what way, how we can frame word problem? How do we see the solution? There are 37,260 red roses and 28,450 pink roses in a garden. So totally how many roses are there in the garden? Okay, totally. Here I have mentioned totally. Totally means we are going to add these two numbers. Okay, children? Can you understand how to frame a word problem? Yes? So go through the chapter, children. Practice all the problems and try to frame word problems and try to find out the missing digits. So practice all the problems in the chapter. So go through the chapter well. Okay, children? So see you in the next class, children. Thank you.